Me and you and me and we. Let's make this last all night and take our time, baby. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. Me and you. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Me and you and me and we. Hey, daddy, tell me what you like, 'cause I'll be the remedy tonight. It's doctor recommended, call it medicine. You know I can help it all. So come and put it all on me. We can play a fantasy, don't Oh, now you got me naked, making love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Call me your healing, give you this feeling. Something like a drug 'cause you love it. Tell me where it hurts and I'll kiss it. Come sit over here, let me check your tip. Chocolate covered pill, scale of 1 to 10, now how do you feel? Oh, so come and put it all on me. We can play fantasies. Oh, now you got me naked, making love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. You go crazy. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Call your girl here.
All right, what's happening? What's up? This is Kiki J, of course. That was my song Remedy. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop in and do my voiceover. So, again, this is the custom chocolate acrylic that I created with like some chalk that I got from Amazon and just some clear acrylic. Mixed it up in a bowl with my e-file. I caught myself trying to do an ombre right here. It looks so bad. It looks so bad. That's why this nail ended up having all those charms covering it. But I did want to do like a nice ombre, but I guess me using that chocolate first, I should have went ahead and just did, I guess, everything nude and then dipped into that chocolate because it kind of bled into my nude acrylic and it just did not come out right. You're going to see here in a moment that I tried to fix it by, adding some more chocolate and then just trying to press the nude down. I always fight with my nails. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that. So yeah, this is the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch this, but just know that this was supposed to be an ombre.
Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Call me your healing, give you this feeling. Something like a drug 'cause you love it. Tell me where it hurts and I'll kiss it. Come sit over here, let me check your tip. Chocolate covered pill, scale of 1 to 10, now how do you feel? Oh, so come and put it all on me. We can play fantasies. Oh, now you got me naked, making love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you all you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. You go crazy. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Call your girl the key.
All right, so now that we're on the thumb, I just want to pop in and say after I completed all of this, the reason why I did the nails so thin is because I actually was going to go in and encapsulate all of the nails with clear, but then I just decided to go ahead and just do the cover nude and just build the nail up. I still didn't want my nails to be super duper thick because I'm not going to keep these on too long. I'm just going to, take them off in probably in the next week. So I didn't want to do the application so thick, but here you'll see I'm going ahead and just encapsulating that chocolate nail, but then I'm just going to add some more cover nude to the other nails just to go ahead and build the nail up. Right after that, we're going to get into the shaping and filing, and I'm going to show you how I fixed these very bulky, just bumpy nails, because no, girl, no.
Oh, now you got me naked. Make love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Call me your healing, give you this feeling. Something like a drug cause you love sick. Tell me where it hurts and I'll kiss it. Come sit over here, let me check your temp. Chocolate covered pill, scale of 1 to 10, now how do you feel? Oh, so come and put it all on me. We can play.
All right, so right here, you're going to want to take your 80/80 grit file. I'm going to go down on one side, over across the top, and then down on the other side. You can go from left to right. It's easier that way. But just make sure, like you see here, down on one side, over across the top, and then down on the other side. I even did that in my cuticle area. Just almost like you're going in a U shape as you're filing your nails. So if you do that, it'll help you level out the nail as well as get rid of all of those bumps and lumps. And it just makes it for a more smoother nail space. So that way you'll be able to do your, nail art or your paint or whatever over it later. And it won't have all those lumps or dips in it. As you can see here, I think I'm winning the battle with this messed up behind ombre nail, but just the same thing, down on one side, over across the top, and down on the other. But I really focused my file right up in that cuticle apex area because that's where it was the thickest. And then you're just going to see me go ahead and continue to file all of the rest of the nails. We're going to buff them. Then we're going to go ahead and wash our hands and clean them. And then I'm going to use my Model 1's matte top coat on my nails.
Let's make this last all night and take our time, baby.
All right, and this is what they are looking like. As you can see, that shape is so much better. Everything just looks like it goes together. So this is the black gel paint I'm going to use from this company. I don't know how to say their name. And let's get started with this nail art, or this drawing, rather. I went between this, what is this thing called that I'm holding, y'all? I went between this ball oh gosh, what is the name of this? Why am I having dotting tool? Jeez Louise. Dotting tool to the striping brush to the dotting tool to the striping brush. I just kept going back and forth. And really, I don't even think I needed to, start over as much as I did. Like this right here, this wasn't that bad for me to start off with. But in my eyes, I just didn't like it. So here I am wiping it off. And I only meant to wipe off the bottom, but I messed up and hit the top. So I just went ahead and wiped off the whole nail. Y'all, I was going through the most. But I was determined to draw these lips and these cherries. I just had that vision. Plus, I wanted to, again, follow the not polished tutorial, which is what I ended up doing. I had to go off camera and follow her tutorial to the T. And then I came back and you'll see, what it is I created. But I just wanted to leave this party in just to show it was a struggle. It wasn't just off rip. I was able to draw that art. No. So, yeah.
Oh, now you got me naked. Making love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything that you want. Everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want. Everything that you ever need. I'm the type to be everything that you want. Everything that you all you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. You go crazy. I'm the type to be.
See, don't this look like a burglar's mask? I know I'm not tripping. So I took that off, and this is what I created off camera. I had to go follow Not Polish's tutorial. So here I'm just going to leave in the clips where I filled in my outline. Like she said in her video, it is always best if you're doing any type of nail art to do a outline first and then go in with your color. Don't ever try to use your color to go ahead and just start drawing, because 9 times out of 10 it's not going to come out right. But this is just me filling in or getting as much footage as I could while I was in camera, filling in my cherries and my lips. So I'm just going to let you watch this. And as you can hear, I have my song playing in the background. So I'm just going to let that keep playing over and over. Here I'm just adding some black to white, because in her video she used like a gray tint to draw the stems. But I end up going back over the stems with the black that's coming from the cherries in the mouth. So you're just going to see all of that here. But that's why I mixed that black and that white together. Sorry about my big old thumb. But this is all the footage that I had where I was in camera. So just forgive me, but I did the best I could.
Hey, daddy, tell me what you like. Cause I'll be the remedy tonight.
Alright, so I cured in between, and I'm going to use color 0377 for Model 1s mixed with black to get the color that I want for my leaf. But I'm going to go ahead and do my chocolate drips now. On Not Polish's video, she actually had the red lips, just like a red drip from the lips. But I wanted chocolate, so I went ahead and filled that in. And then I'm going to use the black just to do some outline. I kind of just went between like all the colors, cleaning my brush off in between, just doing bits and pieces here and there that I could. And just curing in between each time that I did any type of nail art. I put my hand in that nail lamp so that I would not mess up, because I was really determined, again, to do this art. So I just wanted to make sure I could do it to the best of my ability, and that's what we came up with. And here I'm going to fill in that leaf with that green that I created and curing, because I didn't want to mess it up.
Come and put it all on me. We can play in fantasies. Oh, now you got me naked. Making love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything that you want. Everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want.
All right, and here we're going to start with our strawberries. So I didn't have like a picture or a photo or anything I was going off of, just kind of how I could remember what a strawberry looked like in my head. And I just did my outline. Again, if I messed up or feel like anything was like that looked like too much like a heart, so I took that line away. But yeah, just, testing my brain cells here and seeing if I could draw without, looking at a picture. as well as I made it look like they were kind of like bitten off of. So that's why you saw me doing the little humps there. Here I'm going to draw my leaves. I think I'm pretty good at drawing leaves and stuff. So yeah, and each time again, I went ahead and placed it in the lamp and cured it. And then now I'm doing my outline of my drips and just, each time put it in the lamp. That's the best thing that I could say. If you do a line, I'm talking about even if it's one line, girl, put your hand in the lamp if you like how it look, because you do not want to mess it up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my red strawberries, as well as I didn't get the footage of me doing the little white dots, but you got to put like the little seeds on the strawberry. So I did that as well. But for some reason, I don't know where that footage was. I don't even think I recorded it. But I did do it. So yeah.
Hey, daddy, tell me what you like, 'cause I'll be the remedy tonight. It's doctor recommended, call it medicine. You know I can help it all. So come and put it all on me. We can play a fantasy, so fun. Oh, now you got me naked, making love till I can't take it. Oh, now we elevated. Be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Got the crown for your throne. I'm the type to be everything that you want, everything that you ever need. Call me your healing, give you this feeling. Something like a drug, 'cause you love sick. Tell me where it hurts.
All right, and I was completely out of frame when I did this pinky nail, but I just did the same nail art that Not Polished did on her channel. She made the pinky a red drip nail. And I also was not recording when I did my rhinestones and my charms. But this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video as well as my song. If you did, be sure to like this video and comment down below, as well as subscribe to my channel if you'd like to hear more of my music or just would like to see me, challenge myself with nail art like this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.